Right. Hello everybody. Another combination. Yeah? When you strike, make sure you strike and move at the same time. So go around in circles. Yeah? You can do it both sides as well. Strike and go on. Strike and go inside. Yeah? When you're going round, whichever side you're traveling to, push. So in this case, I'm going round in circles on my left. So what I do, I push with my right and land on my left. Push with my right, land with my left. Okay? So like this. Boom, boom. Yeah? Boom, 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 boom. Yeah? Do it slow. So what you do, push, strike. Every time I'm stepping with my left, I'm striking. So you go like this. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah? And do it the opposite way around as well. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah? Also, do it this hand. Boom. If you're used to this, okay, it's one of the best routines that you can do. Yeah? Practice, because you will, in the ring, you will definitely come across this bit. Boom, 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 boom. So when you practice, you know what to do. Yeah? So try that. Good luck. Demonstration. And then inside. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah? And inside. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah?